Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show how I've recreated Charlie Puth's song Light Switch in FL Studio. For the bass I've used Trillion library from the Omnisphere. I've chosen a Retro 60s full range and it sounds like this. For the pads I've also used Omnisphere and it sounds like this. Celesta xylophone for the plugs. For the wow sound I've used Rhodes, and this is how it sounds without automatization. And then we add automatization. For the drum section I just used standard sounds from FL Studio. It sounds like this. For the main part of this song I used just my pen. The toughest part for me is a vocal, cause I'm not very good singer, so I used a lot of autotune and many takes.
Why calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back cause you got that, yeah.
After a couple of hours the song is ready, so let's check the final result.